And now I think very important aspect is how Indian culture is promoting entrepreneurs. Yes, Indian cultural elements itself is entrepreneurial in nature. Take example, our family owned businesses are there entire country. Earlier, family businesses were flourishing. Now even new generation entrepreneurs are emerging with the new opportunities, and the country has achieved some excellence through number of national training institutes, higher education institutions, where a number of students are coming up to take up a new enterprises. And here, another interesting thing is the Global Entrepreneurship Monitor. That is one institution conducting research, entrepreneurship research about 95 countries all over the world, including India. As per their research, 20% of Indians between 19 years to 60 years, they are interested to set up enterprises. Earlier, people are not that keen to set up a business enterprises. Now with the environment is growing towards entrepreneurship oriented, the many individuals are coming up and to set up enterprises. So the Global Entrepreneurship Monitor did some research all over the world, and 20% of Indians are interested to set up enterprises coming 3 years. This is 2019 report, as against 12% in all over the world. This is the very encouraging element. That what is important is how best we can catch this aspect and make the system very liberal for startup or for new generation entrepreneurs. This is the need of for our country. Now let us take up that thing is how we can Atmanirbhar Bharat. Our Honorable Prime Minister of India has declared Atmanirbhar Bharat during last Independence Day speech. Atmanirbhar Bharat, self-reliant India. Self-reliant India and there is very much relation to entrepreneurship and entrepreneurs. Self-reliant India could be possible through micro and small entrepreneurs. Wherever it is there, whatever condition it is there. And this is same thing what we can see that as per the Planning Committee report, demographic dividend, Indian demographic dividend is very favorable towards entrepreneurship. Persons between 62% of the population are between 15 years to 62 years. That means for every 3 individuals, 2 are young. And another important thing is how entrepreneurship can be helpful to achieve the self-reliant India, that is Atmanirbhar Bharat, is only through youth entrepreneurship. There are many number of institutions in this country where entrepreneurship is introduced in higher education, particularly business management institutions, although it is a private institution. But it is required. Entrepreneurship must be introduced as a subject in all higher educations of the country. That is, there are a number of research studies that reveal that you can catch the young persons, young minds, and nurture them, tune them to become a good entrepreneurs. This subject, although they are not setting up enterprises, they would be very active. They would be active and they would be successful even in the employment, in the job, even job seekers. Job seekers can also be, it would be helpful. Entrepreneurship subject itself is helpful for a person to achieve something, to be effective or to be result oriented. This aspect is very important. And as for the even the recent youth policy, 27% of the youth are between up to 29 years of age. No country is having that youth population in the world. That youth population, but unfortunately youth population must be channeled, tapped properly, and it has to be either through education institutions or through training institutes. Unemployed youth through training institutes, education institutions through startups. This mechanism has to be developed in the country so that a good number of entrepreneurs could emerge for setting up of need-based enterprises. What is required now? What is required under this crisis, post-COVID? Post-COVID, what we have learned lessons, what type of enterprises we can invite, demand, what is the demand, and what is the that demand and the product demand, and how do we fulfill that demand. This is very, very important. To achieve Atmanirbhar Bharat, our country's very now slogan, that is very important. Through entrepreneurship development in the country, that we can realize Atmanirbhar Bharat. That is what my experience, I could understand the relation between Atmanirbhar Bharat and entrepreneurship.